He's
Quote there?
he's like genuinely because
He was genuinely angry at like the guy was genuinely.
The cop was?
yeah, when the cop walked up, I could hear the cop just going ballistic from like
He was
where
like,
I
"Not
was
a real
standing.
mate," and I was like, what?
Alrighty, good people. Hopefully everything's plugged in, hunky-dory, and everything's recording like it should. Charger's in, looks like it's keeping everything charged. I am in a bit of a doozy. It's an early morning ride, 7 AM start, or sorry, 7 AM meet. And I believe it's just a bunch of Ducatis, so it's gonna be a bunch of nice red, a lot of red. There are a couple of us joining, I think maybe 4, who knows. I know there'll be an 899 or a 959, one of the two. A Monster, myself on the StreetFighter V4s modded, y'all. So that, and I think it's the 11 or 1299 will be also with us, so yeah, man, that should be all a go. Yeah, let me just slow down a little bit. Stay. No, not this f***ing turn. Not this f***ing turn. Cause there is a speed camera or a red light camera, to be honest, right there, so no. And it doesn't stay green very long. But yep, so Ducati ride, and yeah, see how that goes. Alrighty, looks like we got an 1199, two 899s, a Monster 600 and something, and my V4. So I'm the grandpa in the group, the big boy. It's not a bad group size. Be doing a bit of a tunnel run and then light breakfast up at the coast, and you know, all that shit. So nice and warm in here. Is that on? got the 360. Yeah, these two 899s, the left one sounds a lot louder than the right one. Not sure what the difference is, because they both have stock exhaust. Looking at all these 899s, it's kind of made me miss mine. Because I quite enjoyed my little pale white, with the little bunny ears and all. Nice little setup I had. Not a lot of crazy mods on it, but it was enough. Yeah, we had enough mods to make me happy. Nah, don't risk it. There's cameras somewhere. Yeah, I had a nice little setup. Nothing too special, nothing too like major mod wise on it. It's just a little creature comforts and stuff. Make the bike a little more easier to live with. I think this is the road that I tried to do a wheelie, got it up, but my camera wasn't bloody recording. Which sucked so bad, because it was the first time I successfully popped the wheelie, and my camera wasn't recording. And sucks. But yeah, brekkie breakfast, because I am a hungry boy. Because having the Korean barbecue last night, it was like a lot of like lean food, so that Project SC on that 11, man, is mental. It's too much exhaust with that bike. Bug. Buggets. All over. Saying that, I do need to definitely find a station nearby, because I can almost guarantee this little Hungry Girl is when I want a fill up.
He's
Right there?
he's like genuinely because
He was genuinely angry. Like, the guy was genuinely...
Cop was?
yeah, when the cop walked up, I could hear the cop just going ballistic from like
He was
where
like,
I
"Not a
was
real
standing.
plate, mate." And I was like, "Oh." I turned off my camera and I went, and I was just like, "What's going on?"
Because with shit like that, it's very hard to get away with not getting
And you see how many we've gone past four cities so far. I'm surprised nothing else has
Yeah,
stopped.
Saturday, Sunday, this place is just patrolled by highway patrol, and they're just wank stains in
Yeah.
general. It's like they just do this shit for the shits and gigs.
And be like, "Hey, we've left you."
I messaged him. I was like, hey, we bounced. Let us know how you go.
Okay, cool. I was gonna say, I feel really bad, but I was like, nah, that's it.
I ain't hanging around, so.
Yeah. Let's not poke the ball any more than we need to.
Yeah. He doesn't need to comment, I'll see them.
Quick little update to the 899 rider. He was in quite a big bit of trouble for firstly riding with a fake license plate. Then we found out he was riding a motorcycle he was not legally license to ride and riding without an actual registration on his bike. So he's got himself into a bit of a pickle. He's got a court date for everything. He even, for some reason, told the police that pulled him over that he had bought the license plate online, and obviously he's been slammed for that too. So yeah, he's in a bit of a pickle, and it was double demerit, so double the points loss and double the fine essentially. So as far as I know, I don't know if he's facing any charges or prison time or anything like that, but at the moment it's hefty fines and guaranteed loss of license. But you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. So that's gonna wrap up the video there. Thanks for watching. Please like, sub, and do that jazz. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace, ride safe.